Good morning. I think I show a little of all that I was going this morning, and maybe you notice that I have to frog or undo a lot again. I'm having hard time with these because since it's all the same, I just keep going, and sometimes you lose count of these. So now I have a marker, and I have 10 stitches before the finish, so in that way I can just continue doing it straight. It doesn't look very straight, but it's straight, and that's how I keep going and going. I know it's more complicated than I have ever done this, and I am not giving up. Here is my little boy. He's not feeling so well today. I don't know, you feeling okay? Just okay? And also, I did my planner. I was kind of behind. I didn't put anything Thursday yet because today is Thursday. But I was behind on this. So the only thing that I haven't done is to put the weather because I don't know. I really didn't mark the weather and I just left it that way. I don't want to fake it, But now it's around Thursday, and then I will put, and if you notice, this Thursday and Friday usually are big, but since I was almost done with the planner, I have to divide a lot of these. I don't know if I have any big page anymore. I think I have one. Yeah, I have the 27, 28, from December, my birthday. Did I mark anything? Oh, and Christmas, and the day after Christmas, and the last day of the year. So yeah, I think I have like 4 pages. I think it was 4 of the big ones, and then it's done, and I will begin my new planner. I cannot believe that we are almost done. Yeah, and today, Thursday, I have my social, so you know what, I will do a little more of my shawl, so it goes with the change of color before I go to to my social today. That is at 1:30. Yeah, let's do just a little. Oh, you know what, first my laundry. I need to put this. I think I will put outside. It's not so cold today, but it's raining, and the rain is good for ferns. So the other one was outside too. There's my helper. And need to move this and take the one that I have here. Are you my little helper? Are you my little helper? Just so cute. Now I will take care of all these, and I have the other ones going. So let's finish this. I'm on my way to my social. I have everything, I think, I hope. It's raining, but not so bad. And I'm bringing also the shells that I finished. But I want to ask them if the size are good, or I need to make a little bigger, I wouldn't mind to do it. And also the one that is white blue and light blue maybe needs a fringe. That's light, right? And I will see if they want that I put that. And I have the new one. I also bring my water, my scissors. I have a little bag and a little other box that I bring with me. And I always have with me like cough drops and water for sure, because you never know. Oh, and clinics. That's how I usually do when I go to whatever place I go. I don't know what you things are the ones that you always have to have in your purse. For me, is cough drops, Kleenex, and of course, bring water with me. Inside, and all this is what I have with me today. Let's see how much come back. Okay, we just finished our meeting. It was so nice. We are planning that for the next month. Maybe we will go to have lunch together and then come back here to do some knitting. So that would be nice. Okay, I better go now. Oh, it got so cold and I'm not wearing too much. Chaser! Chaser! What you were doing? Look at you. Look at that belly. Oh my gosh. My carpet. Oh, what a mess. Yeah. Now you're clean. Look what you did to my carpet. I just finished my dinner, and when I was on my social, I noticed that I'm beginning to have the change of color. So I'm going to the light blue, and that kind of makes it exciting. So now I want to continue doing this project and leave this for later. But first I need to do this laundry. I'm watching videos while I do that.